Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about relay board for Pitco part #601273001CL. The Pitco 601273001CL relay board is a replacement part for Pitco fryers. It is designed to control the temperature of the fryer and to provide power to the heating elements. The board contains two relays, one for controlling the temperature and one for providing power to the heating elements. The board also contains a thermocouple that senses the temperature of the oil in the fryer. The board is connected to a thermostat that sets the desired temperature of the oil in the fryer. When the oil reaches this temperature, it triggers one of the relays on TH. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Pitco 601273001CL relay board is designed to replace a faulty or malfunctioning relay board in a Pitco fryer. It can fix symptoms such as the fryer not heating up, not responding to temperature settings, or displaying error codes. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the relay board and all its components. 2. Locate the mounting holes on the back of the relay board and attach it to a flat surface using the provided screws. 3. Connect the power supply to the relay board using the provided power cord. 4. Connect each of the individual relays to their respective terminals on the relay board, making sure that they are properly wired according to their labels. 5. Securely fasten all connections with wire nuts or other suitable connectors. 6. Test all connections by turning on power and checking for proper O. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.